We say yiggy yiggy. Very good. So, the traditional name for this instrument is called a yidaki. The didgeridoo or yidaki came from Arnhem Land, Northern Territory, the more central part of Australia, and traditionally only the Aboriginal tribes in that area played the didgeridoo. Today you see Aboriginal dancing or performing, you'll see and hear the didgeridoo being played, so today it's considered a national instrument. Okay? So, basically it's made from a tree, very hard wood. Inside it's hollowed, traditionally hollowed by termites. Termites do all the hard work eating at the middle of the tree. The reason why they only eat the middle is because they are very sensitive to sunlight. They stay inside where it's nice and dark. Instead of the termites digging underground looking for moisture, in this case they head up through the middle of the tree. As they get too far up, they feel the heat from the sun, turn back around and continue to hollow the tree all the way through. All we had to do is we had to go and find it. Walking out in the bush, using a rock or stone axe to tap on the tree trunk, you listen for a hollow sound, you look for signs. Maybe a lot of termite mounds in the area is a good place to find a tree to make a didgeridoo. You also look for another sign, a big yellow one that says didgeridoo here. So we're listening for the hollow sound, yeah? Once we find the tree, we cut it down, long stick or spear cleaning it out. If you're very lucky, the termites have eaten all the way through. If they haven't, you make a fire, hot coals from the fire, place it inside, and you're slowly burning your way through. Once it's hollow, take all the bark and the branches off, you clean it up, you can paint the didgeridoo if you like. With some didgeridoos, like this one here, we put a bit of beeswax in the mouthpiece to make it more comfortable to play. Or if the original mouthpiece is too big, the beeswax goes on so you can mold it, shape it, easier to play. Today, if you don't want to make one, we just go and buy one, a lot easier. Yeah? Alright. So, how to play it, 4 steps. First one is make the basic sound, vibration of the lips. That's the inside the didgeridoo. Nothing on the chair, guys. No little tricks here anymore. Basic sound of the instrument. Depending on the size and the shape determines your sound. Long didgeridoos have a real deep sound. Short didgeridoos have a high pitch sound. Second step, this is the hard one, circular breathe. Play the instrument, breathing through the nose at the same time. Blowing and breathing without stopping. So there's a little trick on how we do it. Good supply of air is stored in the lungs. Take a little bit of it, place it in the face and the cheeks. Use the cheek muscles to push the air out. And at the same time, breathe back in through the nose. So just pushing the air out first. Now breathe back in.
Wow.
A bit of practice, folks. You can play the didgeridoo for a very long time. You can play for a minute, 2 minutes, 10 minutes, an hour, 2 hours, as long as you want. Non-stop circular breathe. More practice, the better you get. Okay. Third step, to make the rhythms. Every music in the world has a rhythm. Our rhythm is made by our tongue moving in the mouth, up and down, side to side, in and out for rhythm. Okay? That's for the rhythm. The last step now, so making animal sounds, growling sounds, talking or shouting. Certain calls in our dancing to begin dancing or to finish come from the voice, so we're throwing the voice through the instrument as we play. Voice box. Once we learn the 4 steps, we put it all together. That's how we make our music. And if you get really good with a bit of practice, you can play for the dance show. A bit of practice. So we have some animals for those sitting down the front, just on the